How to change your WhatsApp number without losing your chat. So let's get started. First, launch the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Now select Account from the Setting menu. Tap Change Number. Read the information and tap Next. Type your current phone number in the first field and your new phone number in the second field, both with the correct country code. WhatsApp will ask if you want to notify your contact about the change. Choose your preference and tap Done. Then you will receive a verification code on your new number. Enter it to complete the process, and that's it. You have successfully changed your number. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.